Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Western Union account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you delete or remove a debit card from your Western Union account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove a debit card from your Western Union account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your overseas contractors ask you to send them their money through Western Union, but maybe you switched over to a business debit card, so you need to remove your old one. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Western Union dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Western Union account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and remove a debit card from your Western Union account, you're going to click on your name here on the top right. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see your profile information, and in order to remove your debit card, scroll down until you see this line right here, payment preferences. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see these two options, credit and debit cards or bank accounts. Make sure you've clicked on credit debit cards. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the debit cards that you've added into your Western Union account. So in order to remove one of them, what you want to do is click on the arrow to the right of the card number. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to open up a menu showing its card details right here. And in order to remove this debit card, you want to click on this trash can below, delete card. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see this pop up. Are you sure you want to remove this debit card? Go ahead and click on yes. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my debit card has been removed from my Western Union account. So I can no longer use that debit card to send money through Western Union unless I come back in here and add it. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a debit card from your Western Union account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.